Step 20. Handling customer service. Great customer service builds trust, encourages reviews, and keeps customers coming back. FBA versus FBM service. FBA, Amazon handles support. FBM, you handle it directly. With FBA, Amazon manages customer service and returns. With FBM, you must respond to questions and handle issues yourself. Respond quickly, under 24 hours. Always reply within 24 hours. Quick, polite answers reduce negative feedback and improve customer satisfaction. Handle returns smoothly. Hassle-free returns. Make returns easy. Even if you lose one sale, you protect your account health and increase customer trust. Monitor customer feedback, product reviews, seller feedback. Track reviews and feedback. If a customer complains, respond politely and use it to improve your product or service. Use tools for support, help desk or autoresponders. Consider tools that automate messages or organize customer support so you never miss a question. Up next, Step 21, Inventory and Restocking Strategy. Running out of stock is one of the biggest mistakes on Amazon.